the crew. They're helping out or hindering, or however you want to put it, but they're definitely involved. They're definitely involved. Also, like I mentioned, this is the filter that actually came off, but always make sure, and I've got some pine straw here while the kittens are so helping out. But always make sure that you do place some oil on this O-ring here before you tighten it down. That helps the O-ring compress properly. Doesn't have excessive drag or resistance on it when you try to tighten it, and then that way you'll make sure you get a good seal as it tightens like it's supposed to. And don't bother with the aftermarket oil filters. They really are very cheap. You can get a OE filter for about the same price as aftermarket, and you'll get a much better filter element and so forth.